Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into beauty products with real insights and expert-level analysis. Today, we're checking out a product that's been getting a lot of attention in the hair care world, Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Conditioner. If you've been struggling with dry, damaged, or weak hair, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. But does it actually live up to the claims? Let's see. And before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Conditioner is designed to deeply nourish and repair damaged hair without weighing it down. Its formula includes AHA and omega-9, two powerhouse ingredients known for their ability to strengthen and hydrate hair. Whether you're battling hair that's been overprocessed by heat styling or environmental factors, this product promises to restore your hair's health, softness, and manageability. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. This conditioner comes in a creamy texture that feels luxurious when applied to the hair. The first thing I noticed was how easily it spread through my strands. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy, which is a huge plus. I've used some conditioners in the past that leave hair feeling weighed down, but this one was light yet effective, leaving my hair feeling soft, fresh, and clean. In terms of real-world testing, I incorporated this conditioner into my regular wash and care routine over a few weeks. After just the first few uses, I could feel the difference. My hair felt smoother, less frizzy, and overall healthier. It didn't strip my hair of moisture or leave it feeling dry, which is something I've often encountered with other deep conditioning products. The added bonus? My hair didn't feel heavy or limp after using it, which is often a concern with repair conditioners. One of the standout features for me is the way it moisturizes without making the hair greasy. If you have fine hair or are prone to oily roots, this will likely work wonders for you. However, if you have extremely dry hair, you might need something more intensely hydrating in combination with this product, depending on your hair's specific needs. So let's break it down. Pros: deeply strengthens and repairs damaged hair without weighing it down. Leaves hair feeling soft, moisturized, and fresh. Works well on all hair types, especially those in need of repair. Vegan formula, which is great for those conscious of cruelty-free products. A little goes a long way, so the bottle should last quite a while. Cons: if you have extremely dry or very thick hair, you might need additional products for added moisture. The fragrance is pleasant but subtle, so if you're someone who loves strong-smelling products, this may not be your go-to. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Conditioner is priced higher than your average drugstore conditioner. However, considering its high-quality formulation and the fact that it doesn't weigh the hair down while still providing solid repair, I'd say it's worth the investment, especially for those with damaged hair in need of a long-term repair solution. It's effective without requiring excessive product use, so it does justify its price tag in the long run. In terms of comparisons, I'd say this conditioner is on par with other professional-grade hair care products, like Redken's Extreme Strengthening Conditioner or Olaplex No. 5. However, what sets it apart is how light it feels. Many conditioners for damaged hair can be heavy or leave a residue, but Wella's offering feels fresh and revitalizing without the added weight. The packaging is sturdy, and the product itself has a good shelf life, which is essential when you're looking at higher-end hair care items. The packaging is simple and functional, ensuring no spills or mess, but it's nothing extraordinary in terms of aesthetics. At this point, if you're enjoying this review, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try this conditioner for yourself, you can find the link in the comments below. I haven't had the chance to interact with customer service personally, but Wella Professionals is a reputable brand known for its excellent customer support. They have a strong reputation for responding promptly to inquiries, so I'm confident they take care of any issues if they arose. As for alternatives, there are a few more affordable options, like Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner, which offers similar benefits for repairing and hydrating hair at a lower price point. However, if you're after a more luxurious, salon-quality experience, the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Conditioner is a solid choice. So in conclusion, if you're dealing with damaged hair and need something that not only repairs but also moisturizes without weighing you down, Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Conditioner is a great option. It's ideal for all hair types, and though it's on the pricier side, it delivers on its promises. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. What's worked for you? What hasn't? We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.